will be learning AutoCAD diagrams. And here are my students from first year mechatronics in SNS College of Technology. So we shall get into the drawing. So here we have AutoCAD software. So Rubesh is going to draw the picture in AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is mainly used to draw 2D diagrams as well as 3D diagrams. So before manufacturing a product, if we make use of AutoCAD to draw the diagram, so we can reduce the manufacturing cost due to deficiency, which leads to deficiency. We can check whether the output is there, whether it is the correct drawing, correct design or not. So using this software called AutoCAD. So at first we shall draw a line. So the length of the line is 20. So here we are going to draw a horizontal line of length 20 and a vertical line. And here is a shape. We made use of the line command.
Undoubtedly. Here I want to cut the extra lines with what can.
Yes. So whenever in AutoCAD, whenever you're using the line command, this excess line will be there.
Yes,
so if you want to reduce that, you can press escape.
Yes,
so whenever you want to repeat the same line command for the next line, if it is a continuation of the line command again, then you can use space bar or you can also use enter key. So which is important. So if you want to do any kind of dimension, you can make use of dimension command, which is over here in the menu bar. So if you click on the dimension menu, you will be having linear dimension. So here, according to this diagram, we have made use of only the lines. So linear dimension is more than enough to mention the dimension of the diagram.
How to change the dimension, ma'am? We draw this, ma'am, and then how to change the dimension?
Yes. So here we have the dimension in very smaller size actually. So if you want to increase the size of a dimension, you have to press D. So we have to press escape, then we have to press D and enter, which means that we will be opened with a dialog box called Dimension Style Manager, where you have to get into the modify icon. So if you get into the modify icon, you will be in the fit option.
Yes,
you can find overall scale of. So that is actually 1.00. So the thing is, if you increase that one as 10, then you can see the enlarged dimension value. So change that to 10 completely. 10. Okay. Click on OK.
Yes, ma'am.
And here in this dialog box, you have to click set current. So only then we are making change of all the options inside that dialog box, and we are refreshing it and we are setting the current here. So set current, the dimension got increased.
Yes.
So while drawing the diagram also, if you want to change the shape of the arrow, you can change it. So here this is a closed arrow, you can change it. Even you can leave it as an empty arrow. Even you can bring the arrows inside.
How to erase the another extra lines?
Okay, so if whenever you want to erase the command, first you have erase the line actually. First you have to press escape key. After pressing escape key, you have to press T, trim. So trim is an option which is actually used to cut the extra lines actually.
Yes,
so the main difference between trim command and delete is, if you want to delete the complete line, you can use delete command. But if you want to trim or reduce the extra lines, in that case you can go with the trim command. So where I can easily trim the extra lines or the unwanted lines. So whenever you want to draw a circle, so you can go with this option called, so here you have an option called circle. So if you want to draw or insert a circle inside the diagram, you can make use of that option. So if you want to give dimension for this circle also, you can give dimensions. So in the dimension menu, you can give linear dimension is for line dimension. So whenever you want to give dimension for the circle, you can give angular dimension. Yes, radius you can give.
Yes, ma'am.
So radius, if you click, the dimension of the circle will be mentioned in the form of radius.
How do you mention the dimensions in the diameter?
So here we have in the dimension menu, we have diameter. So there if we click on that, then if we select that option and if we click on this circle will be represented in the form of dimensions, diameter dimensions. So I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Radhika.